not enough to maintain a great relationship.
Okay, let's talk about
We're going to talk about it after this. Love is not enough to maintain a great relationship. There are two things that you need on both sides, and that is trust and respect.
That's right.
Think about this though. When you first meet somebody, you don't love them straight off the bat.
Nope.
There's that infatuation thing that you feel, that chemistry, that connection thing that you feel. You know what I'm saying? Y'all having a good time. But really, in reality, to get to love, first comes trust, then comes respect, then comes love.
True.
Trust is faith-based. Respect is action-based. And the two of them together creates love, not the other way around. You know what I'm saying?
I get what you're saying. I think in relationships, people focus too much on things that matter the least.
Indeed.
You know, when you start with the foundation of trust, respect, and love, everything else will come.
Yes.
You know, in terms of trust, you got to be vulnerable. You're being vulnerable to each other. You're sharing something from your past, something that only you know and you feel comfortable enough to share with that person. Mm-hmm. In terms of respect, listen, you can just say, hey, I respect you, but if you don't mean it,
it's going to show.
It's going to show. You're going to have to work on that one.
Yeah.
Because respect is earned.
Yeah.
You know, it's not something you can just say, hey, I respect you.
Right.
When you don't really mean it.
Right. Many things fall under the umbrella of trust and respect. Okay, let's take communication for example. You have to be able to trust them in order to tell them what you're thinking and feeling.
Sure.
And vice versa, you have to respect them in order to listen. Communication fails because one or two of those things are missing. You have to have them both in order to communicate. And there are many other things that fall under trust and respect.
That's right. They're going to tune you out if they don't trust you and respect you. You trying to talk to them and they're not hearing you because they don't trust you or they don't respect you.
100%.
It's going to be filtered through the filter of BS and I don't trust this person.
I don't trust this person. I don't respect it, or I don't respect this person. And what I have to say trumps what they have to say.
Absolutely.
You're not even trying to understand.
I totally get you. And coming from a man's perspective, men, we definitely have to trust you in order for us to talk to you about how we feel. So listen, if a man is not getting deep with you, he just doesn't trust you.
Vice versa.
True.
Listen, I'm sorry, girls, but I gotta say this, okay? A lot of women will talk for days about what a man did to us and how we feel about it, but when it comes time for them to talk to us about what we did to them, here come the dramatics. Here come the waterworks. Y'all want to fall all out in the floor. Slam doors. You know, you got to hear your flaws too. You got to hear your side of it too. Then you wonder why he stopped talking to you. He can't get through. He can't get through to you. Because you won't hear it.
All right, coming up next, part 2.
Don't miss it.